It's so cold today.
Hi guys, welcome back to another Gengolingo mini lesson. It's Friday, so we've got a Friday banter for you, right Maui?
Yep, and it's cold today.
So what are we going to talk about?
Cold weather.
All right, Maui is always cold because she is from paradise.
But you're even colder, but he's from Canada.
I'm sorry, my Canadian brethren. I've lost my ability to withstand cold. Yes, it's 15 degrees here and I'm freezing.
It is it suddenly got pretty cold though.
Yeah. No, what is the temperature outside today?
Maybe 8? No, it can't be that cold. 15?
Okay, somewhere between 8 and 15 today. Actually, you might be right. I think I looked at the high and low today. The high for today was around 15. The low was around 8.
Yeah, but at night, last night was 2 degrees.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
2.
wow. Okay. Summertime in Canada.
Right.
No, of
Never.
course. No, of course. Canada is beautiful in summer, but pretty cold in winter. Yeah. But yes. So is 2 degrees in, now it's November. Is that normal for Japan?
I would say not, right?
No, it seems like a little bit colder than usual
Yeah.
at this time.
Right.
Yeah.
But I remember every Halloween being cold.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
And Halloween's at the end of October, and I remember being freezing.
Interesting. I don't remember that at all.
Oh, really?
No.
Yeah,
no.
you've got alcohol warmth.
What? Yes. Well, yes. Actually, my image of Halloween is it's cold because in Canada it's winter already. But yeah, I'm October 31st in Japan. Not bad.
It's interesting because
18 degrees perhaps.
well, in Hawaii, when we dress up for Halloween, you can really show off your costume, whatever it is. But in cold places, you have to put a coat over your costume.
Yeah, no doubt. That was always the worst part when I had a cool costume and my mom said, "Put on a jacket."
Yeah.
What? Yeah. How are they gonna know I'm a Ghostbuster?
Right. So your costume has to be part of your winter getup.
Yeah, but I never thought that far ahead.
Right.
No.
Right.
Yes. But Halloween is over. We are. Oh man, almost November is almost over.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, we gotta start thinking about Christmas.
Right. I officially don't think about Christmas until the start of December.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. But Daiso is already sold out
Of all Christmas things.
stuff. Yeah.
I know. It's pretty crazy. But one thing is we were talking about temperature.
Yeah.
And Jeff recently renovated our house.
Oh yeah.
So he put new insulation into one of our older areas.
Right. What's
I
that
would
word?
say.
Insulation. Do you guys know what insulation is?
Yeah.
I feel like it's a new concept here in Japan.
Well, people in Hokkaido or the northern parts of Japan definitely know what insulation is. But right, it's to insulate. Right? This is a Friday
please.
banter.
Yes.
We're not supposed to be teaching here. But it's to keep temperatures within a certain area,
Ooh,
right?
I like that.
So
Yeah.
whether it's heat or it's cold, right? So you're keeping that. So he put a layer of insulation in our walls and in our ceiling too.
Yeah, that's right. Yep.
Yeah, so it makes a huge difference. I would say at least 5 degrees.
Right. Yes. I should have done the floor too. And if I did that, then it would probably be a consistent temperature.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes.
So
So, are you happy?
yes,
Yeah.
saves on heating costs.
Yes.
And the reason why I know it's 5 degrees is because if you go to the non-insulated area of our house and you check the thermometer there, it was 10 degrees this morning.
Yeah, the same as outside.
No, outside was 2 degrees.
Okay. I like to joke that the outside temperature and the inside temperature are the same
basically.
in my house.
Yes. Yeah, but the new place was 15.
Yeah. Okay. So we got 5 more degrees.
Which is pretty big.
Still not good though. Still gonna need some heating devices.
Yeah, that's true.
Right.
And we've actually recently purchased a new heating device in our house, which is the hot carpet.
Oh, that one. Okay.
Yeah. Wait, what are you talking about?
Well, I'm looking at one over there.
Oh, yeah.
Another air conditioner.
Another air conditioner, yeah.
That's something that I can't get used to.
What do you mean?
Well, in Canada, we have one machine that keeps the whole house warm. We don't need little tiny machines for each room to keep one room or one part of our body warm while we do something.
Right. Wait, what is that called?
A furnace?
Is that what
Oh
you're
my god, I forgot. Maui grew up in paradise.
We don't have
Don't
any heating
need
machines.
any kind of heating
Yeah.
machines. Right. So, yes, in Canada we have a furnace. It usually is in
A
the
furnace warms up your whole house?
Yes. Shall I explain how it works?
Yes.
So it's usually in the basement of your house, and it runs on something like natural gas or kerosene, and so it starts a fire, and there's a fan, and that system is connected to tubes or tubes. And those tubes are connected to vents. Each room has a vent.
Okay.
So each room receives warm air from the furnace.
Oh.
Magic. Are you just figuring
Yes,
this
I
out?
just figured this out.
Okay, you've been to Canada.
I know. So you can close the vents in each room.
Yeah,
or
they're
in
usually
specific rooms.
usually on the floor.
Right.
Yeah, if you don't want to heat up a room, you can close the vent.
But there's like a name for that.
Mm-hmm.
It's like what is it called? Besides furnace? Oh, what is it called?
For heat.
Yeah. It's like internal heating or... Oh, what is it called?
It's usually called a furnace.
No, but when I went to university, I
Okay.
don't think there was a furnace.
Okay.
Right? So in our dorm room,
Climate control.
we had... Oh, I can't remember the name.
I mean, there's other systems. Did you
Yeah.
have radiators? Did you have
No.
some other kind of system?
Yeah, I know what a radiator is, I think. But no, there's another, like in dorm rooms, like this huge building, right?
Yeah.
So every room was connected
Yeah.
to a...
Furnace. Larger places might have like a boiler.
Okay.
So they would use hot water to heat rooms.
But that whole system is called what?
A furnace. No.
I'm going to write in the comments once I figure out what this word is.
So I mean, maybe you're thinking of like when the cooling. We use the same tubes and vents for the cooling system, which we call central air conditioning.
Central air, that's what I was, that's the word I was looking for. Central heating. Yes.
Okay.
That's the word I was looking for.
All right.
So-
Furnace is the machine that creates the fire.
Right.
And
And,
then-
the whole connected system, the whole thing is called central heating or central cooling. Central AC?
Yeah, we would call it central air conditioning, but central cooling makes sense as well.
I see. Yeah.
Yeah.
So in my house in Hawaii,
Paradise, where we don't need any heating.
we didn't need any heating.
Yeah.
And actually, we didn't even need, when I was a kid, we didn't need like AC either. So the main thing we just use are ceiling fans. Like every single room in our house had a ceiling fan.
Nice.
And then we would just sleep with the windows open as well because right, like, you know, houses are far enough apart that you're not, you know, in anyone's space.
Right,
and
yeah.
so that's how I grew up. And then I went to San Francisco and I heard about, you know, this central heating.
Yeah, you're like, what is this cold stuff I hear? This cold air condition.
Yeah, and then, but he's right, in Japan, you know, ACs are one thing, but then you have these stand heaters and you
Yeah.
have these hot carpets and you have these kotatsu, which there's no even word for kotatsu
Yeah,
in
right.
English, right?
Heated table with blanket. No, yeah, it's a kotatsu. Let's use that word and spread that around.
Right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Yeah, I mean,
and which is cheaper, you think?
oh, it's pretty expensive in Canada. I think like most systems use natural gas, and I remember paying for my house with it was like 4 bedrooms I shared with my friends. We would often pay maybe a couple $100 per month.
Oh wow.
This was
For central heating.
Yes.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I thought it was like a lot cheaper.
I mean, we had it running all the time. We had it usually warm enough that we could walk around in shorts and a t-shirt.
Oh.
Maybe people.
So they were not being very cost effective.
we weren't. So I think
Cost conscious.
Yeah, if you asked my parents, they would have a very different answer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see. Wait, I have a question. So I know that you can open and close the vents.
Yeah.
But can you change the temperature in each room?
Yeah. Well, there's another cool word, thermostat.
Yeah.
Right, where you can adjust the temperature. Basically the furnace will turn on and turn off and maintain.
But in each room, can you change the temperature?
In the systems that I used, no.
Okay.
I'm sure. I think the systems have become more advanced. A lot of them are, you can use your smartphone to control them. I've been living in Japan for the past 17 years.
Right.
I don't know the new technology in those cold places.
Yeah. Cold area friends, let me know. Can you change the temperature in each room if you have a furnace?
That seems pretty advanced.
Yeah, they would have to change something within the piping system, right?
That's right.
Yeah. I see. Okay.
So does everybody want to go to Hawaii with Maui for the winter?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. I wonder, Okinawa probably is similar?
Probably.
Right?
Yeah.
Like it's like a bit too cold to go swimming in the ocean unless it's like midday. So like in the morning and the evening it's pretty chilly. But you can still go swimming, especially like I think Okinawa.
We would. I think maybe the locals would be like, this is too
that's
too cold.
True. That's true.
And the tourists wouldn't want to go either.
Right. Okay, well, let us know. Like, do you like cold weather? Do you prefer warmer weather?
How do you keep warm?
How
many
warm?
devices do you have in your home?
Yes.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, it's not good.
No.
We're trying to cut down on our electricity costs as well. So if you guys have a good system, it's like cost effective, energy efficient, definitely let us know.
Please.
Okay, stay warm out there.
Thank you. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.